My next step after welding all of those pieces in for the Soros are to do a couple rounds of just coils, and I'm gonna do 2, and then perhaps I'll put my suns in my sunflower. So I'll have to make those to see how big they're going to end up being. Okay, so I'm gonna just take my coil, and I might just even cut them as I go a little bit. So I'm gonna just pinch it right off, and I need it even smaller. Just a little piece to go right in there and kind of fill in that spot. Okay, so you're gonna slip and score. It's a lot of work. It's a little wet in there, so wet on wet clay doesn't need as much slip. It's pretty wet. I don't want to rub out my design too much yet because I want to see what it's going to look like. So of course I'm fixing my edges of my coil piece, and I'm going to lay it right in there. That one's going to work. If I press it out a little bit, I want to make sure it's touching end to end. So I'm going to be a little picky on my craftsmanship. Score, score, water along there. It's a little damp in there, so I'm not going to add too much, but I'm going to just press it on in a little bit. Next piece, I'm going to do it right in here, and it looks like I need it to there, so I'm going to just tear it, fix the ends. I want them to be kind of blunt and not tapered, so that they're the same thickness, and that looks really nice. So I'm going to use that for my downside, and I'm making sure it fits. It's a little big. I'm actually going to take off just a little bit because, again, I'm working on my craftsmanship, right? So then I'm going to place it in there, and does it mirror the one on the other side? Okay, so that does. So I'm going to just roll it back out of place. I can keep it right in there. It's a little wet in there, so I'm just going to go with it and keep it right there, getting all that scored. I can add a little damp paintbrush, and then I'm going to press it right in. Okay, next one. Now this side's going to be, again, a little bit different sized, making sure that my pieces get even and smooth, using the best side down. And that one fits. So I'm going to just roll it back, score, add a little moisture. Compression, and welding, right? Compression and welding, which we're going to weld the whole inside together and smooth it out. Okay, so I'm going to do one more round like that. So I'm going to measure, I'm going to fix my edge. I'm making sure my coil is all about the same size. I'm going to tear it off just for ease. It's a little thicker on that end. So I'm going to put it in there. And then I'm going to use my needle tool, cut out the piece that I don't need. Pull it out. I'm going to fix that. While it's out, I can scoring all the sides, and I'm pressing a little, which I saw a little compression, which is great. And then I'm going to score there. Add a little moisture. And compress. Thinking about getting the other side nice and neat, right? So I'm going to get a little chunk of coil, fix the ends, check the size. I'm going to just cut it right out. Okay. I'm going to fix that edge so it looks nice when it goes in. Use the best side down. Score. That plastic wrap is going to be getting in my way, so I'm going to push it down. You might have to fix a little plastic wrap markings in the end. That's just part of the process. You don't see I have a big bucket of water on that side, and I'm going to press it in and compress. One more, so I can kind of get the right size. Fix the edge. Oh, this one's coming off a little bit, so I'm going to get in there and weld it a little bit better. Make sure my coil is the same size. Score. Score. Slip. Compress. Sometimes you'll have pieces pop off after they've been fired if you haven't done all of those steps. All right, so I've gotten 2 wheels around. Hopefully they look nice on the other side, right? So now I'm going to make my suns, and then I'll place them in. Okay, so to make my suns, I'm going to take my coil. This one's drying up on me. This is where it's important not to overmake your pieces. So I almost overmade my pieces at a time. If you're in a moisture rich climate, you can get away with that a little more. I also have like a takeout container that I can put my pieces in as I work. All right, so I'm going to do kind of small suns, small coils. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to do a couple. I'm going to kind of check it. Oh, that looks perfect. So I'm going to pinch it, and I'm going to pinch it long so that it kind of blends in there, okay? So I'm going to make another one of those. That side's a little flat. So I'm going to round it. Smooth and round. Keep it wet. I want a nice center on it, so I'm going to start rolling it. If it's cracking, I'm smoothing, but you saw I added some water. Okay. Round it out a little bit, and I'm going to make 3 of these. So hopefully this one coil gets it. If not, I've got another one waiting. Add a little bit of moisture to the inside because I do want it to adhere to itself a bit. If I add too much, I can't work it. That one's a little bit smaller. So I'm actually going to scrap that one. And begin with this one that I had, because I want them to be all the same size. I'm bending it, asking it to go before I squish it too much. Okay, that looks good. Squish it flat, smooth it, and then round it off. All right, those are looking really great. They're all about the same diameter. So the next part of my design, let's look at my design. The next part of my design is to add very small arches going around. So I'm going to thin out my coil a little bit, either that or maybe I have fewer arches, which is just fine. So you can adapt as you go, but we do have a plan to begin. I'm going to thin this one out a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna give it a shot here. Let's just double it And then, oh, I didn't get that moist enough. It cracked on me. Okay, and then I'm gonna ask that arch to come off, and let's see what that looks like. That's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna flatten that edge so that it can go on there. So I'm just a simple fold, pinch, smooth, flatten the one side, and put it on. They're adorable. I'm gonna moisten this a little bit. So once more, fold, pinch, flatten, smooth. Where's my moisture? There it is. And put that on. So I will slip and score those, but I'm gonna do that all at the same time. Fold, pinch, flatten, and put on.